am a Broadway director, choreographer, performer, and I came out here to work with the Nixon Center on building a program for the students here. It's an amazing educational program you have with an incredible space, and Kathy invited me out here to come and just do some Broadway material that I've done on Broadway and bring it out here. So we are dancing the original choreography from the Broadway musical Hamilton that I was an original cast member and associate choreographer of, and we're also singing the material. We're giving them an opportunity to get an audition experience, which is how we started yesterday. Today they're learning the vocals and putting the dancing and singing together, and then tomorrow we're going to take a look at some of the technical theater. So we're going to do some lighting, some sound design, and put together a little small performance for their family so that they can see it. But it was just absolutely eye-opening to see this incredible arts facility and this really hungry arts community that you have here.
I think that this workshop is an incredible opportunity for our students. It provides them not only with working with a professional in the field, but a professional that has credentials that are incredible. But I think the coolest thing is that they're getting, as she's moving through each particular piece, she's also giving lots and lots of feedback and also tips and tricks for how, if they want to go into this industry, that they'll be able to be the most successful. But as she does that, she also is giving them tricks and tips for just how they should live their life. So being bold and being brave and speaking out and being confident in who they are, stepping forward to learn. And I think that's such a smart thing. So there's just lots of opportunities for them to receive information and to grow.